A lot of business owners are going to brag about making $500,000 in revenue. But the thing is if they don't break down their numbers to understand how much they're spending on their cost of goods sold, how much they're spending on, overhead, they're not going to understand exactly how much they're profiting. And that's the number that they really need to focus in on. And for a bookkeeper, I'm going to try to get them to understand that, that big number as a revenue number, yeah, it looks cool. Yeah, your bank account might look fine. But if you're hemorrhaging money, you're eventually going to feel it. It's just maybe it might be a couple years down the road, but that's slowly creeping up on you. And you might be going from year to year, you know, slowly losing money out of your bank account and you don't understand why. Well, that's because you're not understanding what your expenses are. You're not understanding how much it's costing you to make that revenue. And we really, as bookkeepers, we really need to focus in on, like, yes, that's the number that we have to find out. That way we can have a clear understanding of where we're at. If we're hemorrhaging money, then we need to understand how much expenses we can cut out in order to stop hemorrhaging money. And if we're making money, figure out which income is making the most money and then double down on whatever that is for that business. If it's a certain product, or if it's a certain service that they offer. That's the biggest selling point as a bookkeeper, and how we can actually get more services sold because of, clarity, really.